Right, let's clear up a big question for Ford Kuga owners. Can you actually fix the body control module, or BCM, if it's playing up? The short answer is, yes, you can. Now before you break out the tools, let me explain. Most issues people see with the BCM are down to blown fuses. If it's just a fuse, you're in luck. You can swap it out for a new one of the exact same amperage. Just make sure you disconnect the battery first. Safety first, always. But what if it's not the fuse? Here's where it gets interesting. There are specialist repair services out there just for BCMs. You can actually send your dodgy unit off, get it fixed, maybe a bit of soldering, maybe a new internal component, and when it comes back, it's plug and play. No need to mess about with programming if it's your original unit. Now, sometimes the BCM is just too far gone. If that's the case, replacement's your only real option. Just remember, a new BCM needs to be programmed to your car's VIN. That bit's best left to a qualified technician. It's not a plug-and-go part off the shelf. Here's the golden rule. Always diagnose properly before you start replacing parts. If you're not sure what's wrong, or electrical work isn't your thing, it's way better to hand it over to the pros. So yes, you can fix the Ford Kuga's BCM, whether it's a fuse swap, a repair service, or a full replacement. Just take your time, stay safe, and make sure you're actually fixing the root of the issue. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more DIY tips. Cheers!